So, we could roll on to video number 2 after this, after I'm done, and see how good my leather working skills are in reproducing a rather expensive item. And this is a USPS, a Postal Workers Messenger Bag strap, which is really tough. It uses Conway buckles and alligator clasps, or you can actually use regular. These are solid brass. I acquired all of these off of eBay. And some 1-inch leather strapping. Here we go. I need a hole punch, which I have. And these bags are used daily, and these are basically the toughest straps in the world. You know, there's nothing finer than dropping your camera gear on the ground. So instead of paying a fortune for one of these straps, I got these images off the internet. I'm going to reproduce it for a lot cheaper, and it'll be just as good. So the only thing I need are Conway buckles, alligator clasps, which I actually have those, but I actually don't particularly like those. These are all solid brass hardware. These are the Conway buckles, solid brass also. Really cheap on eBay. Everything's cheaper on eBay. I went to my local leather store. There's actually a leather store here in town. The prices were astronomical, which of course I knew they would be. Property of the U.S. Post Office. So let's recreate that. And of course, to recreate the shoulder strap, I'll need to cut and tool this piece of leather. I have all my tools, so check out video number 2. After I'm done tooling all this stuff, I actually had to check hole punch size, since there's 5 different sizes in here, to make sure I was punching the right size holes for the Conway buckles, which you can actually see right here. I did. I don't have great leather working skills, but I'm certainly good enough to reproduce stuff like this. Anyway, so let me do the work and make another video and see what the results are like. Maybe you can make fun of me in the second video. Maybe I'll screw up. Let's see how bad I screw up in reproducing this item.